Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Generative AI with Varun. Today, we're going to analyze a brand new model that OpenAI just dropped called OpenAI O1. OpenAI O1 is different from existing GPT 4o and GPT 4 class of models because it is able to do complex thinking and think step by step in tasks such as coding, problem solving, mathematics, STEM related tasks, or just anything that requires complex logical analysis. So today I have prepared a prompt for OpenAI O1 that is going to challenge it to help me come up with ideas for a new podcast that I'm planning on starting. I've given it a series of instructions on what I wanted to do in terms of creating an outline, helping me think through different episodes, and think through maybe some of the ethical constraints as well as the promotion. So let's give it a whirl. So, as you can see, as soon as I put in the prompt, you start to see it telling you what it's doing basically thinking, leveraging AI insights, unraveling AI's impact, charting advancements, enhancing the podcast. And then here it goes. So, this is really compelling because it's not only doing what you're asking it to do, it's also helping you better understand its thought process in getting there. And this is a great step forward in terms of large language models because one of the challenges that, for example, the class of GPT-4o or GPT-4 had was hallucinations. And that is when a model makes something up because it's jumping to conclusions. Here, there's definitely an opportunity for it to take the time to think and provide a higher quality response. Let me know what you think. Cheers.